Maybe I like you just a little more than I should. In the way I think of you more than I thought I would. Maybe I like you in a soft and quiet way. Nothing big, nothing loud, but it won't go away. It's a normal kind of day, coffee light and passing time. But your name just slips in like it's always on my mind. I don't stop it, I don't try, I just let it come and go. Still it lingers in the air, longer than I let it show. I don't wanna make it bigger than it needs to be right now. But it's getting kinda hard not to notice how. Maybe I like you just a little more than I should. In the way I think of you more than I thought I would. Maybe I like you in a soft and quiet way. Nothing big, nothing loud, but it won't go away. I catch myself smiling at nothing anyone can see, and I know exactly why, even if I don't say it. Little things remind me of the way you laugh and talk, and I replay it quietly on my way back home. It's not like I'm falling fast. It's not like I'm losing control. Just something slowly growing that I'm starting to hold. Maybe I like you just a little more than I should. In the way I think of you more than I thought I would. Maybe I like you in a soft and quiet way. Nothing big, nothing loud, but it won't go away. If you ask me, I might smile and say it's nothing much, but I think you'd hear it in the way I speak too soft. Not a rush, not a spark, not a sudden kind of start. Just something gently finding a place inside my heart. Maybe I like you more than I let it seem. In the quiet in between, you keep showing up in me. Maybe I like you in a way I can't explain. Not too much, not too fast, but it's here to stay.